ready to give your backyard birds a stylish new home. Let's build this easy to assemble birdhouse. All you need are some pre-cut wood pieces, wood glue, and a few basic tools. Start by applying wood glue to the edges of the birdhouse walls. Then, carefully align the pieces and gently hammer in small nails to secure the joint. Make sure everything is square and snug. Next, it's time for the roof. Apply glue to the top edges of the walls and carefully position the roof pieces. Nail them securely in place, ensuring a good seal to protect the birds from the elements. Now, at the entrance, this birdhouse features a pre-cut hole, but you can easily drill one yourself if your kit doesn't have one. The size of the hole will determine what types of birds can nest inside. Once the glue is dry, you can get creative. Paint your birdhouse in bright colors, add decorative details, or even personalize it with a name. Finally, find a safe and sheltered spot in your yard to hang your new birdhouse. Sit back, relax, and watch as the birds move into their new home.